How to fix invite collaborator option not showing. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let me show you what a collaborator looks like. So if I go to any kind of post that I want to post, and if I click on this tag people, there is an option of invite collaborator, and if I click on it I can tag a specific brand that is belong to my particular post. So if you can't see this option, maybe your account is private or maybe your account is personal. So first of all, let me show you how to switch your account to business. So you have to simply click on your profile on the bottom right and go for its settings and privacy. So once you are in here, you have to scroll all the way. So this is a business interface. So if you can't see your account type and tools, you have to simply search for it and it will pop up like this. So this is my business account, so you have to simply switch to business account and see if the invite collaborator is showing you or not. So if you can't still see the invite collaborator option, you have to check whether your account is private or not. So simply go to account privacy and make sure your account is not in private mode. So once you are done, and if you can still see the invite collaborator option, you have to go to Play Store and update your app. And if your app is currently updated, you have to try to clear its cache. Simply go to its apps info and go for store and cache and simply clear its cache and see if this worked for you or not. So maybe the first solution worked for you because it is the most recommended solution to switch to business profile, and it will automatically give back to you invite collaborator option. So yeah, that's how basically you can fix invite collaborator option not showing.